The GS Pedia. General Studies Video Lectures. Notes and Practice. Question sets for engineering service examination, and other conducted examinations. In this video we have discussed a subtopic of information and communication technology, which is e-learning in India. NTEL provides e-learning through online web and video courses in engineering, science and humanities streams. The mission of NTEL is to enhance the quality of engineering education in the country by providing free online courseware, virtual labs. Objectives of the virtual labs: to provide remote access to labs in various disciplines of science and engineering. These virtual labs would cater to students at the undergraduate level, postgraduate level, as well as to research scholars. Talk to Teacher. A View is an award-winning indigenously built multimodal multimedia e-learning platform that provides an immersive e-learning experience that is almost as good as a real classroom experience, developed by Amrita E-Learning Research Lab. Spoken Tutorial. The Spoken Tutorial project is the initiative of the Talk to a Teacher activity of the National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology Act, launched by the Ministry of Human Resources and Development, Government of India. SEC. Annually, SEC organizes video competition, and Pragti is an annual film festival on environment, human rights development. Video competition is an annual competition meant to nurture within media centers and other educational institutes in the country. E-Intra. E-Intra is an initiative to incorporate robotics into engineering education, with the objective of engaging students and teachers through exciting hands-on application of math, computer science, and engineering principles. Digital Library in Flibnet. The UKINFONET Digital Library Consortium was formally launched in December 2003 by Honourable Driver P.J. Abdul Kalam, the President of India, soon after providing the Internet connectivity to the universities in the year 2003 under the UKINFONET program. Quantum Nano Computing. The Quantum Nano Center is a multidisciplinary center at Delba Educational Institute, Agra, set up under MHRD National Mission on Education. Through it, with partners as IIT Kanpur, IIT Delhi and IIT Madras, besides several international collaborators. ERP Mission. The ERP mission is to implement, maintain, improve, and support the counters integrated financial, procurement, human resource and payroll information systems, ISLAs. This project is aimed to develop an automatic Indian Sign Language education and recognition platform for hearing-impaired students of India. The system can substantially help in the primary/vocational/higher education of hearing-impaired students and people of India. The framework is proposed to be extended to 14 different languages of India with extensive interactive features. In the audio-visual mode, Oscar. Project Oscar open source courseware animations repository provides a repository of web-based interactive animations and simulations that we refer to as learning objects (LOOs). These learning objects span topics in science and engineering at the college level, and maths and science at the school level. Students and teachers can view, run and download these learning objects. For C project is part of the National Mission on Education through it, with the thrust area being adaptation and deployment of open source simulation packages equivalent to proprietary software, funded by MHRD, based at the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. ECALPA. This project on creating digital learning environment for design, also called ECALPA, is sponsored by the Ministry of Human Resources, Government of India, as part of the National Mission in Education through Information and Communication Technology. Pedagogy project. This project is an experiment to systematically design and develop learner-centric curricula suitable for outcome-based learning for 4-year degree programs in 6 major engineering disciplines. This project is not yet another attempt to develop content, although each curriculum document is expected to include around 80 pages of course notes and 120-125 self-assessment problems and solutions. Virtual learning environment. VUL, an online environment of e-resources, caters to several disciplines taught at undergraduate and postgraduate level. It is an initiative of Institute of Lifelong Learning, University of Delhi. Conceived in 2012, VUL today boasts state-of-art material that addresses emerging needs of a diverse student body, not only of Delhi University, but other universities as well. Drawing from several successful Moodle models, the multimedia interactive contents loaded on VUL are categorized discipline-wise. Aikash Educational Portal. This project envisions empowerment of teachers through workshops conducted for thousands of teachers at one go, using a unique blend of technology and an innovative pedagogy. Thousands have experienced the effectiveness of this approach, and of the resulting open source contents. OS for Maths Edu. Project consists of organizing 4 workshops of 5 days each for popularization of open source mathematical software at the national level in the educational field. The aim of the workshops will be to familiarize the participants to mathematical software for teaching and learning of mathematics. SOS tools. Software and simulation packages are useful tools for the analysis of systems and solving problems by the students of science, social science, engineering, Management and related disciplines. SWAYAM is a program initiated by Government of India and designed to achieve the three cardinal principles of education policy, viz. Access, equity and quality. The objective of this effort is to take the best teaching learning resources to all, including the most disadvantaged. SWAYAM seeks to bridge the digital divide for students who have hitherto remained untouched by the digital revolution and have not been able to join the mainstream of the knowledge economy. This is done through an indigenous developed IT platform that facilitates hosting of all the courses taught in classrooms from 9th class till post-graduation to be accessed by anyone, anywhere at any time. All the courses are interactive, prepared by the best teachers in the country and are available, free of cost to the residents in India. More than 1,000 specially chosen faculty and teachers from across the country have participated in preparing these courses. Saransh is a tool for comprehensive self-review and analysis for CBSE, affiliated schools and parents. It enables them to analyze students' performance in order to take remedial measures. Saransh brings schools, teachers and parents closer, so that they can monitor the progress of students and help them improve their performance. Imprint is the first of its kind MHRD-supported pan-ITISC joint initiative to address the major science and engineering challenges that India must address and champion to enable, empower and embolden the nation for inclusive growth and self-reliance. This novel initiative with twofold mandate is aimed at developing new engineering education policy, b. creating a roadmap to pursue engineering challenges. Imprint provides the overarching vision that guides research into areas that are predominantly socially relevant. Sakshat, a one-stop education portal. The pilot project Sakshat, a one-stop education portal, launched on October 30, 2006 by His Excellency, the then President of India, to facilitate lifelong learning for students, teachers and those in employment or in pursuit of knowledge free of cost to them. The content development task for Sakshat was looked after by the Content Advisory Committee CAT for the respective subject, which consisted of representatives from educational institutions like IGNA, Delhi University, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sansthan KVS, Navodaya Vidyalaya Sansthan NVS, National Institute of Open Schooling NIOS and National Council for Educational Research and Training, certain prominent academicians in the field. In addition, SNOS had also provided the contents developed by them free of cost for this portal. The vision is to scale up this pilot project Sakshat to cater to the learning needs of more than 50 crore people through a proposed scheme of National Mission in Education through Information and Communication Technology Act. The scheme is to provide connectivity to all institutions of higher learning to world of knowledge in the cyberspace, to leverage the potential of it in providing high-quality knowledge modules with right contents to address to the personalized needs of learners in order to take care of their aspirations. These modules are to be delivered through Sakshat. scheme may also have the provision of certification of competencies of the human resources acquired through formal or non-formal means, as also to develop and maintain the database of profile of human resources. National Mission on Education. Through ICNMICT, under the National Mission on Education through ICNMICT, funded by the Ministry of Human Resources Development, Government of India, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the latest advancements is being attempted. For this, what is needed is a critical mass of experts in every field working in a networked manner with dedication. Although disjointed efforts have been going on in this area by various institutions/organizations and isolated success stories are also available, a holistic approach is the need of the hour. This mission seeks to support such initiatives and build upon the synergies between various efforts by adopting a holistic approach. Train 10,000 Teachers is a major initiative under the NMICT, in which IIT Kharagpur and IIT Bombay are working as partner institutes to improve the teaching skills of engineering college teachers of the country in core engineering and science subjects. Under the program, 2-week ICE workshops are held during the vacation period in summer and winter. Live lectures are given by IIT faculty. The participating teachers attend at a remote center close to their own college, and also attend tutorial and lab sessions conducted in the same center. The lecture transmission and live interaction takes place through distance mode using the AView technology and the Internet, at selected remote centers across the country. SAT-3, known as EdUSAT, is meant for distant classroom education from school level to higher education. This was the first dedicated educational satellite that provided the country with satellite-based two-way communication to classroom for delivering educational materials. Next we will be discussed about a new topic of information and communication technology, which is some facts about social networking.